So, you're trying to become an international OME superstar and chat with people from every corner of the globe. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the OME website or open the app. See that big start button. That's your gate to Euro, but here's the thing, Euro, there's no magic choose your country setting on OME. Unlike some other video chat platforms, OME doesn't let you specifically pick which country you want to connect with. There aren't any drop-down menus or checkboxes for selecting locations. OME's matching system is largely random. The algorithm tries to match you with different people globally, but it doesn't guarantee specific countries. Basically, it's the luck of the draw. You might connect with someone from Brazil in one chat and someone from Japan in the next Euro, or maybe you'll end up talking to someone down the street. It's a total surprise. The best way to encounter people from different countries is simply to keep using the site and skipping if you don't prefer a certain user. The more you connect, the higher your chances of encountering someone from somewhere new, so keep hitting next. That's all there is to it. There's no secret trick, no hidden code, just good old-fashioned randomness. Thanks for watching.